Ever wondered how to make the perfect chicken broast at home? The allure of this crispy, golden and mouth-watering dish is hard to resist. It's a favorite across the globe, and today we're revealing the secrets of creating this delight in your very own kitchen. First things first, gather all the ingredients. You will need a whole chicken cut into pieces. For the marinade, grab garlic powder, white pepper, ginger powder and salt. The coating requires all-purpose flour, corn flour and an egg. Don't forget the oil for deep frying. Here comes the first step, marinating the chicken. For a flavorful broast, the chicken marinade is key. Combine garlic powder, white pepper, ginger powder and salt in a bowl. Mix them well. Then coat each piece of chicken generously with this mixture. Once done, set them aside. Let the chicken soak up these bold flavors for at least 2 hours. Overnight marination in the refrigerator is even better. Now, let's get started with the coating. Combine the all-purpose flour and corn flour in a separate dish. The coating should achieve a smooth texture without any lumps. Moving forward, immerse the marinated chicken in the beaten egg, then roll it in the flour mixture. Ensure the chicken is evenly coated before frying. Heat up the oil, and when it's hot enough, let's fry the chicken till it achieves a golden brown hue. Once they're cooked perfectly, use a slotted spoon for easy removal from the pan and let them rest on kitchen towels to soak up the excess oil. Ta-da! The perfect chicken broast is ready. Serve it hot with a side of fries or a fresh salad. To summarize, the steps are: 1. Gather your ingredients. 1. Marinate the chicken with the spices. 1. Prepare the coating by mixing all-purpose flour and corn flour. 1. Dip each piece of chicken in the beaten egg and roll it in the flour mixture. 1. Deep fry the chicken pieces in hot oil until golden brown. 1. Drain the excess oil and serve hot. With this foolproof recipe, you can bring the restaurant experience home. The key to a great broast lies in the marination and the perfect temperature for frying. So, put on your chef hat and create this culinary masterpiece. It's time to impress your taste buds with your cooking skills. Enjoy!